How to change the time format on your Gorenje oven. So this is Gorenje oven and I want to change the time format, which is 24-hour time format or 12-hour time format, which is AM, PM. So all I need to do is to press and hold multi-time until you open your settings. So this is settings and we want to select clock. If your clock is not selected here, you can use these arrows and select clock. Now click start and select the 24-hour format or 12-hour time format. There are only two options, and for example for 12-hour time format, and select the time. To confirm, again click start, and now you can go back and your time format was successfully changed. So do it on your own. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.